Youth and Media! So Youth and Media is an Erasmus Plus program project under the Key Action 3. And in the forefront of this project is that the challenge of young people that are facing is not the lack of information, but the enormous amount of information and their ability of critical thinking and gaining media literacy in order, to understand the content and put it in the social context of today. So they will tell you more about it.
There were 4 events during which we created questionnaires in order to identify the gap of needs of us as young people to critically assess media content.
A total of 143 people, 10 youth workers and 4 decision makers attended all 4 events. The main output of the project was the preparation of the policy recommendations. You can download them on this link.
From my point of view, as a participant, I increased the level of media literacy and also developed crucial competences such as social, digital, and also civil.
So Youth and Media is an Erasmus Plus project under the Key Action 3, and the challenge is that the young people are not facing the lack of information, but they're facing the enormity of information that they have access to. But in order for them, we have to build them up, their competences, to have critical thinking and the media literacy aspect as well, because they have to take into account the content into a social environment. So we had 4 different events, putting together 143 young people, 10 youth workers, and 4 decision makers in the last event. So in the first 3 events, the young people prepared questionnaires, like Hannah said, and had analysis of the school curriculum in formal education, but also brainstormed on the activities that non-formal education sector, like youth centers, can provide as well. And on the 4th event, the young prepared presentations to the policymakers, what they did, and actually also the recommendations. So the recommendations that Taya has shown you. So they are free of charge, so link and download them and learn more about our project, what was going on for 2 years. So hope to see you. Bye.